We're flying kites and measuring like the distance of them for trig.
We're measuring the angle that the kite makes with the ground and then measuring the length of the line of the kite to find out how high the kite is in the air.
So in our honors geometry class back in January, we learned about trig and how to use trig in real-world word problems. And so today we are actually conducting those real-world word problems.
I'm enjoying it a lot. Our kite did rip, in fact, but as you can see, there's a lot of kites really high in the air, and that's a success.
She did not fly. She would not get up in the air. Sadly, she crashed and burned every single time.
I think it helps them put what we do in the classroom into a real-world scenario. And so this gives them an opportunity to use trig to actually determine the height of their kites. We'll figure that out in class the next day when we have time to do the calculations.